How to cancel Peacock premium subscription online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your Peacock application or the web browser version of Peacock, and then in here what you're going to do is make sure that you are signed into your account, right? So after successfully signing into your account, what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see on the navigation bar right here. After tapping on the profile icon here, you'll be able to navigate to accounts, and on your accounts you'll actually be able to see the option of plans and payment tab. What you're going to do is simply select the option plans and payment, and then from there you will be able to see the option of change plan or cancel plan. So what you're going to do is simply tap on that option, and then you can follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. So you'll be able to see all of the prompts on screen. Simply follow it and then confirm your cancellation, and that is exactly how you'll be able to cancel Peacock premium subscription online. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.